In this video, we'll build a live currency exchange program in Excel. To do this, we'll use a web API provided by the exchangerate.host website. First, open the exchangerate.host website in your web browser. Click the Get Free Key button to open the sign-up form. Fill in your details and submit the form. After signing up successfully, go to your dashboard to get your API access key. This key allows us to request data from the website. Without it, we cannot fetch exchange rate data. Now open Excel. Go to the Data tab, and in the Get and Transform Data group, click from Web. In the dialog box that appears, enter the URL shown on the screen. Notice that our API access key is included in this URL. Click OK. The Power Query Editor opens, and the exchange rate data is loaded from the website. To view the full exchange rate list, click the record link. Right now, the data is displayed in a structured format. To use it in Excel, we need to convert it into a table. Click into Table on the ribbon, as shown on the screen. The data is now converted into a table. You can clean, edit, filter, or remove specific information before loading it into Excel. First, rename the column headers according to your requirements. Next, we'll make the currency codes more readable. The first column currently shows values like USD-AD, USD-AFN, and USD-INR. To fix this, go to the Transform tab. Make sure the entire column is selected. Then click Replace Values in the ribbon. In the Replace Values dialog box, type USD in the Value to Find field. In the Replace with field, type USD2. Click OK. Now all the values are converted into a more readable format, as you can see on screen. Finally, go to the Home tab and click Close and Load. Excel inserts a new worksheet into the workbook. You'll see nearly 170 currencies listed, along with their exchange rates against the US dollar. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.